We decided to use WiCAM in 2007 because the software we were using at that time has not been able to grow with our machinery. PN4000 was manufacturer independent, able to accompany technological leaps, and important to us and our staff. Only software system that controls all machines, not only today, but also tomorrow. The special thing about our company and our product are the most demanding facade projects. The facades commissioned by us cannot be produced on an assembly line. They are always individual. That's why it's so important for us to have software adapted to this individuality. We were able to digitize or optimize the processes that made this possible on the software side. We were able to integrate processes where it wasn't yet possible. The manual craft sector we could leave out in parts. And WiCAM was simply the ultimate software that offered us these hop-on, hop-off possibilities. We were able to remove, reduce, or expand it as desired. For future machine investments, we don't feel constrained. We have been able to use WiCAM for all new investments in the past and do have the same expectation for the future.